Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm here in Las Cruces, New Mexico, Zone 8B, visiting my daughter, and I'm gonna plant up some annuals and a couple perennials here in her courtyard. So I have my pot here that I'm gonna plant the salvia and the, what is this, wildflower. And they're both perennials. So what a perennial is it should come back for me next season. So all I have to do will be to cut it down in the winter or before the winter, after the fall. And so here, what I'm going to put on the pot that I'm planting is some bone meal, like a handful. Just sprinkle it in the soil, and the pot already has soil in it. And then I'm going to be mixing it up with my hand, and I'm planting the salvia first because it's a little bit taller than the wildflower. And I like to do is just get the roots a little loose. And here in this pot, I'm gonna plant the zinnias and their annuals. And I just love the colorful colors on there. And it's gonna be planted with these perennial bulbs that I planted in December, the oriental lilies. And they're coming up already. One's over there. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to move this one. Okay, let's plant this.